Candida is a yeast that's naturally found in our digestive tract. Sometimes yeast can overgrow in our digestive tract and take over and then end up causing symptoms. A reason why this would happen could possibly be antibiotic use, where it's killing off the bacteria and the yeast don't have to fight with any other bacteria and end up taking over. When Candida is overgrown, this can cause issues with your immune system, so you're going to have decreased immunity and you're going to be more susceptible to colds, autoimmune diseases, and things like that. You also are more at risk for leaky gut, which causes bloating issues, malabsorption, so you're not absorbing the nutrients from the food that you're eating, and other symptoms like nasal congestion, brain fog, acne, eczema. There are many signs and symptoms that you have Candida overgrowth, and you'll want to work with a provider to find out if that's actually the root cause for you. Some common symptoms include fatigue, brain fog, gas, bloating, even recurrent vaginal yeast infections. Lab tests can confirm if you have yeast overgrowth in your gut, and you'll want to work with a doctor who is knowledgeable in this and that can help you in the process of killing off that Candida. In the treatment plan, you're probably going to be avoiding different carbohydrates and using supplements to help kill off that yeast that's overgrown in the gut microbiome. Also important to help support your gut and replenish with good bacteria, support your microbiome, and also help rebuild the gut lining from that leaky gut. If you suspect you have Candida and need some help in finding out if that's the root cause for your bloating, head over to the link in my bio and schedule a one-on-one call with me where we can dive deep into your symptoms and figure out the root cause of your bloating.